Trivago finds your ideal hotel for the best price. Presented by Trivago.
You think popular travel websites show you all hotels, right? Well, they don't. Actually, you're kind of hotel blind. Different websites show you different hotels. Some websites may only show you these, while some apps show you those. But because Trivago compares hundreds of sites, Trivago shows you a better overview of available hotels. And that's one more way Trivago helps you find your ideal hotel for the best price. Hotel Trivago.
Last season on Teen Mom OG.
Amber jumps into a relationship with a guy she does not know.
Can you off? So he goes, you're gonna talk to me with respect before you get Leah again. I'm just gonna file for joint custody. I'm over it.
It says yes.
Look how peaceful she looks.
Alright, well, let's claim a real wedding.
The baby biologically is yours, but in every other way, she is our child.
Are you having an issue with your entry to the show?
Whatever, we all agree on the same thing. It's weird that I wasn't a part of it. Now I'm a part of it at the end. If Simon and Sophia don't get along, this might not work out.
Why are you forcing her? Let her know.
No, I'm letting her lead on your...
I know, but poor girl.
We're having a baby. You're gonna be a big brother.
When are we getting married? Refer to him.
We made the decision to bring Farrah back.
I'm not gonna have my 6-year-old son on a show with someone who did porn on TV.
Why are you here? You're not here.
Why are you here?
Actually, I don't even want to hear you talk, because you shouldn't be here. You shouldn't be here.
Dog think of the boom mic? She's probably freaking out about it.
She's
What is
shaking.
that? Is she shaking? Now you get to see me in my new house. All right, come in. Since the camera stopped rolling, Matt and I moved into a new house. And I've been trying to spend as much time as I can with Leah. But Gary's picking her up today to take her on a family vacation to Disney. I'm gonna miss you.
Me too.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my sad face.
Is that your sad face?
When I get sad.
You shouldn't be gone too long. My relationship with Leah's dad, Gary, is not easy.
I'm done! I'm done! Get out!
I was shocked when I found out that Gary and Christina were having a baby.
I'm really freaking out on it.
But I'm excited for my future.
To lay Mary?
Yeah.
Gary has full custody of Leah, and I have to ask him when I can see her. So I try to keep things civil as much as possible.
Oh, hey, I didn't know you were here. You want him in there? Yeah, he'll be fine. Welcome back. All 18 dogs? All 18 dogs. You better give some love to some people because we're leaving.
You excited?
I'm gonna miss you. Now I'm gonna do the sad face.
No. Give me a kiss.
Mwah. When I get back, I promise I'll come see you.
Have fun in Disney, baby. I love you.
See you guys.
It's just I feel like he can do whatever he wants with her.
You don't have that
And
option.
I don't have an option to do whatever I want with her. Like, can I bring her to Disney or anything like that? No. It's not happening. I can't do what I want with her. I can't keep her unless it's convenient for him. Like, the reason why I think she gets so sad when she leaves is because she don't know when she's going to see me again.
Exactly.
Nothing is set.
That's exactly right.
She's always telling us she wants to live here. And he just needs to grow up and realize that I'm the mother. Apparently, I'm still this huge drug addict who has a very unstable life.
We obviously know that's not true. There's got to be a different reason than that. Maybe hiring a lawyer will open his eyes a little bit and let him know you're not messing around anymore.
Yeah.
Ready?
Hello. How are you?
Well, this is Jade's first chance to film.
She's a newbie.
Sleeping on the job, girlfriend.
You wanna go get your Bubba? Stanley, you gotta come get a mic on. You remember last season when you weren't on